This is a weekly reading for you, Aries. So let us see what is the guidance from Tarot. Some of you are getting an opportunity to build this or build your work situation or whatever your love situation may be into something very big. And you're being supported that should you look to improve your situation, it is going to be very heavily be rewarded. So you see this person here is sitting with 4 coins, has a crown, and is almost sitting in some kind of a position of authority which he or she seems to have created for themselves. But you have a growth which is waiting for you. You see, going from this person who's just sitting on a cement slab, sort of assuming he is in a or she is in a position of authority, you're getting a very nice robe, you're getting a bigger crown, you're getting a higher or a better opportunity to come your way. So the decision how well you want to take this opportunity is coming along. So some of you who will think through and make the most of this opportunity, it's looking like things will fall into place very quickly. So Aries, you want to play it big this week. If there is an opportunity that while your situation is very good, you love the work you do or you are happy with whatever your house situation is, if you get an opportunity that do you want to renovate it or do you want to updo the whole thing or probably in a job situation, do you want to take up something challenging before saying no, thinking that your situation is already set and you don't need anything more, you want to give it a good thought and see how you can make it work favorably for you. And as I see an energy of Wheel of Fortune, it's saying that should you put your effort and knowledge into it, you are going to be very beautifully be rewarded. So there is a good reward and success coming your way and growth coming along. So you want to make the most of this week, Aries. Also, some of you who will make some investment, it's going to open a door for something bigger and more rewarding for you. So whatever, so you see this person is sitting here with 4 coins. Looks like he invested this money and bought himself a bigger house or maybe some new clothes or invested into something where he or she is able to improve or magnify their situation. So whatever you're investing into, whether it is a love energy or probably in a work situation or even your money, it's going to move into or transition you from a whatever your present phase is to something bigger and nicer. And the best part is you're also being supported by higher energies. There's also some kind of a windfall or a success coming along. So you will be mighty surprised that you took a step to invest or take a bit of a challenge. And while that challenge seems to work out very well on its own, you're also being rewarded with something more along the way. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Taurus. There is a some kind of a child's energy I'm seeing here in the card. So maybe for some of you there's a news of pregnancy coming along, or some of you should look forward to welcoming a new member in the house. So maybe it is a wedding also, maybe someone in your family is getting married and you all will be throwing a party or you would be busy doing decorations or warming up to this new addition to the family. Also, some of you will feel that you have worked very hard or you have focused a lot on your career and it's time to take a break and probably go someplace nice on a holiday with your children, with your wife, with your husband. So the entire family, you may just plan to take a holiday, and I'm seeing a lot of love and happiness coming along. Also, some of you are going to take up a role of a mentor. You see, this is the King of Pentacles here, and there's a young person talking to this king. So I am seeing you taking on some mentor, or you being a mentee, or you being a coach to someone, and there is lot of love and appreciation coming your way. So you're going to be deeply liked and loved by people who are you are going to nurture and help them, guide them with whatever decisions or how to go about doing work. So some of you who are looking at also hiring some people, you want to take absolutely freshers or someone who needs a mentor or hand holding, because I'm seeing that there is someone approaching you who has either absolutely no experience or is an absolute fresher right out of college or school. So you may be wanting to help some people and get them set on their career track. So, and there is a lot of appreciation and love on its way for some of you Taurus. So this energy is that this is a twin energy of win or someone trying to win you over or proposing to you. So while you're hard at work, Taurus, some of you may even get a very nice introduction to meet someone very loving and easy to get along with, and then you will see that this bond will start to materialize very quickly. So some new introductions are also coming your way this week. So let us see how's the guidance for you, Gemini. Some of you are spending or you will be spending a lot of time trying to understand people, and the reason for that is there is going to be some conflict at the heart of maybe some issue or event, or maybe just trying to get along with some people. So Gemini, you will see yourself devoting a lot of time trying to understand people and their emotions. And overall, as I see this energy, it is going to be very rewarding. So you wanting to understand people rather than continue to disagree or argue with them is going to bring you a lot of riches and success. So eventually looks like these people did manage to work around or work well, and now there is a lot of success. They're being showered with a lot of success. So in your project or maybe some assignment that you're working on, some people who are not getting along, or maybe you are also part of a group which is not getting along, maybe there is a effort or some energy of understanding that you are going to bring in, which is going to set all of you on the correct path or to help all of you to get along. So I am seeing Gemini, you wanting to improve certain work or family situation, so that it just leads to a lot of happiness and calmness within the group, whether it is working in the office or at a workplace. Also, some of you, if you feel that it's just too much of work situation and confrontation going on, you may just want to take a break and go and spend some time with your family. It is going to do a world of good to just spend some time with your family and then connect back with yourself and then get back to work and then approach the situation as and how it is. So it is a working week. A lot of effort is going to go into trying to understand people and then work as a team together. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Cancer. So Cancer, you're trying to work your way around someone who's not paying attention to you. So you see, this knight is carrying a coin with him or her and probably wants to deliver it to this person. So maybe some of you have your work situation which you want to present it to your supervisor or to someone who eventually assesses the whole work or does some quality control. But then in between this queen is sitting. So it's telling me that someone is interrupting your path or your journey. And while you are fully dressed to take on, should someone be being unreasonable or try to stop you midway, you are very well prepared to take on this person, but then you are not probably as ready to be unreasonable and fighting as this person is. So some of you are just trying to find a very easy or a subtle way in which you can handle this person and deliver your work. Also, some of you probably want to get to know someone very deeply and nicely, and you are carrying this something as a precious emotion or some kind of a love message for you, but then there is someone who's either controlling them or dominating them, or is just not letting this potential love interest to pay attention to you or you to get near them. So I'm seeing some kind of an obstacle, maybe someone with sarcasm or a sharp tongue, or someone just difficult trying to make your life not so easy or reasonable. So I'm just seeing someone just unnecessarily becoming an obstacle. The good part is, Cancer, you should have a lot of faith that you are on a transport, whether it is your car or whatever that transport is, and you are fully geared for any kind of hostility a person may show to you. So you should feel very, very confident about your movement. And should you want to reach to this person and either deliver work, deliver a message, or if you have some crush on someone, don't be scared of them being dominated or someone trying to exploit the situation or not letting you meet this person. So you should feel very, very confident. You have everything to fight this person out or handle this person with a lot of subtlety. So you will need to use a lot of courage, Cancer, to move ahead in this week, because I'm just seeing a lot of caution. You don't want to stir things up. You want to do it with a lot of thought and calmness. So try it as long as probably you can find an answer, but eventually looks like you may just have to face this person to get to where you want to go. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Leo. So you see here some people are standing naked, then they are wearing clothes, and after some time they have bought themselves a transport, and more than clothes they've also bought some shield and gear for themselves and some accessories also. So needless to say, Leo, this is a very good week for you. You're going from you wanting something for the longest time, you getting it, then you working with that thing or with that wish fulfillment, and now you're hard at work, or you're going to make the proposal, you're going to network, or you're going to meet the person. So some of you who've been probably been waiting for some funds to take a journey, it is going to happen. The money or the funds are coming or are on its way. Some of you probably were waiting to buy a new transport or maybe some new vehicle. Looks like it's going to happen. You are going to spend some time thinking what to go with, doing some research, and then you will buy it. I am seeing that whatever you were wishing for, Leo, it's looking like that thing or plan is going to come into place. You will do a bit of a research and then you are going to set yourself on the course or journey to where you want to go. A very beautiful growing energy that I'm seeing. Yeah. So also some of you will surprise yourself that how well you were able to make an opportunity work in reality for you. Maybe some people also got this opportunity, but they just took it and didn't do as much as you did. You see, there are some 5, 6 people here. Angel is blowing a horn, but only one person wore the clothes, and then he or she got on the horse and also managed to buy a gear or some kind of accessory. So some of you will feel that your colleagues got almost the same opportunity as you did, but you made the most of it or you were able to extract the most of it. Yeah. So maybe some of you are going to even win some kind of a lucky draw also. It's a very nice set of cards here. If you were looking at making a proposal and you were waiting for some kind of a, heavenly signal or some kind of, green flag, that should you go ahead, should you go and meet this person, should you go ahead and propose or ask that person out, looks like you will find your answer and you are going to make that move. So either some of you are going to make a proposal, or Leo, some of you will get proposed this week. Very nice cards. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Virgo. There is a very nice reward on its way for you this week. So if you were working at getting to some kind of a reward situation, or you were wanting your project to complete in a certain way, it's totally going to happen. And some of you know it, you're headed for something big in life, and it's just about happening around this time. So it's a very good energy that I am seeing, that you took this path, you were very heavily rewarded for whichever way you were looking that reward to be, maybe in a family way, maybe in a work situation way. And then you see this person did enter this very happy and a prosperous situation, and now he has a choice to make, he or she has a choice to make, that do you want to continue to explore more, or are you happy with your situation and you would like to take it easy. So some of you will need to also decide that whatever you have gotten to, or whatever that you have achieved, is it good enough or do you want to push more. Some of you will get asked that maybe you've been traveling for quite some time, do you now want to relocate to that particular location because you have traveled so much, or do you want to continue being where you are at the present situation. I am just seeing a double offer coming your way. One offer is that you are getting what you were looking for, and then someone telling you that do you want to push this furthermore and see what else or how much more you can achieve. So mostly it looks like some of you will just settle with the reward, because I'm seeing children here, I'm seeing two people who are enjoying themselves. So you will make a very innocent or a safe choice. You see, children will not choose to swim the sea, they will probably get afraid, they may rather choose to be, somewhere in a smaller pool. So I'm just saying that some of you will make a safe decision once you have reached or gotten to the very reward you were working for. So maybe some of you will want to challenge or push the finish line furthermore after some time, but you will at present be just happy with what you were working with, having gotten rewarded for it, and then just enjoying being in your situation. So also there is some kind of a recognition coming your way. So there is a reward for sure. There is some kind of a recognition also. So you will be very delighted that for your work you received a bonus and you also got some kind of a certificate or a medal. So good cards, Virgo. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Libra. There will be a situation that you will be presented with, or maybe some kind of a challenge you're going to be presented with. Good part is you're going to make this. You see, this person is stuck upside down and doesn't know what to do, and his both the hands are also tied behind his back, his or her back. Yeah. Now you see, gradually this person has been able to free himself and almost create a very big success for themselves. You see, so the two hands which were tied behind are now devoted to the work that they love to do, and this situation of being tied up is all gone because this lady is very free, almost to the point that she can be herself and not worry about being judged or disliked or any such emotion. And the halo behind your head is almost created this very big success for you. So some of you are going to come out of a conflict or a challenge very, very impressively, almost to a point that you are going to impress your own self, that going from being so stuck in your situation to something so good and being so grateful that a lot of people will come to you asking for help and guidance. So you will see your stature, or people talking about you or taking examples of you this week. Something good is going to come along, and some of you are going to create some very beautiful or maybe suggest a very good idea on how something can be solved. Now I'm also seeing here is energy of someone who's disappointed or is not happy or doesn't know what to do with all that they are getting. So you see, you're this person, Libra, and your back is turned to someone who is receiving lot of love, who is getting lot of appreciation, but just doesn't know what to do with it. So there is a guidance that you may want to look around and help people who are actually way gifted than you were in your situation, or who are very helped and supported in their situation, but have absolutely not done anything for themselves. You have gone from being a hangman to this great success, and here is a person who's sitting with so many trophies and not made anything for themselves. So some of you want to reach out to people who don't know what to do with their talents or skills, or they don't know how to express or ask for help. So you are being guided to do something for people in the greater good, and probably help people around you who nobody has noticed. So maybe in your team you see some people, they are great communicators, very good writers, very good thinkers, but they have not done enough, or they don't know how to showcase their skills. So you could work with or handhold these people, as I see it. Overall, very good cards. You're going to set some kind of situation going, or some kind of a challenge on the roll. You're going to find a solution, and it's going to bring a lot of adulation and praise for you. So now let us see what is the guidance for you, Scorpio. There is a improvement in your situation. As I see it, this person has 10 swords, is dead and out, has nobody with him or her. Then the situation changes to this person going home, asking his or her friend or family to join them on some trip, or to go somewhere where they can feel good. And instead of 10 swords, there are 6 swords here, yeah. And looks like whatever journey this person has taken with the family or with friends, they almost reach this very heavenly location, or almost a very beautiful location, something like a beach or wherever. And this lady is now so free that she's almost naked. So in a very spiritual sense, some of you will recover from your hurt very well and very quickly, and you will be able to connect with your real self. When naked people show up in tarot, it is almost as if your soul is visible to people and you are going to forgive a lot of people who have hurt you on the way, Scorpio. So this is a very generous, loving energy that I'm seeing. And it is coming because you will want to end a certain conflict. You will take whatever blame is probably coming your way, and then you're going to set yourself free. So this is not necessary only if you're going through some bad situation. It is also that if your life is not moving in somewhere great, looks like it will change in a certain way. You see, this person is dead and out for the longest time. Looks like he received some help, he or she received some help and is now able to go to where they would love to be and is now able to also set themselves fully free. You see, there is this person who's doing what she likes or he likes, and they're being blessed with a very big star or an energy of hope that everything is going to be okay and it's all coming together for them. So some of you, if you get an opportunity to take up a change, or if someone offers you help or someone tells you to join them for a trip, you totally want to do it, Scorpio. I am seeing a very beautiful change coming along. So you want to make the most of this change because it's going to be very, very rewarding, and almost you will feel you have connected to your inner self in this week. So some kind of a change, some kind of help on its way, you want to make most of it. Also, some of you in a very regular week, some of you will break out of your routine. You may feel your routine is a killer and you are working 9 to 5 or 9 to 6, whatever your timings are, and then you're just left with all the work pressure and conflicts to deal with. So some of you will be able to take a work from home or take some kind of a holiday to either visit your family or you know take your family to a nice location, and then you will be able to also enjoy this holiday a great deal. So I'm seeing overall certain kind of conflicts going away and you being very free and connecting with yourself. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Sagittarius. If your situation this week is little bit difficult to handle, Sagittarius, you want to use a lot of creativity because I'm seeing in your situation there will be everything: great communication, connecting with people, or sometimes not connecting, being able to take time out for yourself. So overall in your situation, there is some kind of an action which is missing. So you want to take up little bit creativity and more of an action energy in this week. Also, I'm seeing here is someone who's disappointed with how certain things have not worked out, and then going very, very, going all heart and emotions, and then almost going to a decision of being very mean and hurtful. So, Sagittarius, during the week, if you feel that your ideas were not taken on board or some family member did not appreciate or reciprocate your love enough, don't try to go so mean that you want to teach people a lesson and hurt them too deeply. Yeah, because I'm seeing here is this person is upset that their affection or love is not reciprocated, and then he or she, instead of then dealing with love and emotions, takes up swords to teach a lesson, and these two people are crying. So you will win should you choose to teach people a lesson and take on spite and do some mean things. You will win, but you don't want to work with this kind of energy. You want to use your communication to build an understanding so that all of you can be together, yeah. And you should be little bit more understanding, Sagittarius, that if people are not reciprocating to whatever you may be hoping or expecting in terms of love, you probably need to develop a new perspective or understand situation in a different way. So if you want to, you will be able to take very practical decisions, or go very logical and hurt people. But if you want to extend lot of understanding, you can improve or build this situation to your favor. Overall, I'm seeing you are someone very happy and content. You're surrounded with a lot of good life, and some of you will be able to probably buy new clothes if you want to, or maybe throw a nice party if you would like to. So overall, you will be able to enjoy yourself throughout the week. But sometime, or maybe during the week, one of those days you may just feel little bit rejected and you may say some very mean or sarcastic things to someone. So you want to just work and avoid this energy. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Capricorn. You will set out to impress this week, and you will do an amazing or fabulous job of impressing. You see, this person has a globe in his hand, which means he's reaching out to a very big and a huge audience. And then, and he's standing and looking from his rooftop or from his house how to take this journey, how to go about winning people over or improving their, career situation or maybe love situation. And then this person has this vehicle on which he or she is taken the journey and has on the way been able to realize their dreams or goals. But you see, till here everything is working great. You wanted to impress, you did impress, and people are now mighty happy with who they have met, as in you, and how well and good you are and what you bring to the table. But the problem is, you see, here there are two wands, and now you have multiplied them to 10. Maybe some of you should be careful of how much you want to take on and not overdo the energy to impress or to floor everyone to an extent that you just find it too difficult to cope with the work situation or to live up to this impression which you have created. You see, here this person is standing tall, is able to look straight ahead, and see wherever he wants to see, and his one hand is free. But you took on so much work that now the head is all drained or down into this 10 wands. You're not able to, look straight ahead, and you're too engrossed or you're too caught up with all that needs to be done. So you want to take it, little less or bit in intervals and not overdo this energy of taking too much too soon and then not able to find time to do justice to all the work you have taken upon, or to regret it that to begin with you should have started a bit small and not go so big, yeah. So you want to balance this energy. Overall, this is a winning energy. It's telling me that you will be able to do what you're set out to. Just manage your goals and what is the kind of standards you're setting. It shouldn't be too demanding that it will start to affect your health and you having to regret a little. Overall, very successful guidance. So it's a very good week for you, Capricorn. So let us see what is the guidance for you now, Aquarius. Some of you who are upset with your parents, or I'm seeing a mother and a father here, and a child who's not receiving a love energy properly, or is unhappy about smallest of things. So maybe some of you who are unhappy about certain setup or a situation with your parents, you should go and spend some time with them. I am just seeing that your parents are doing a great deal, and it's just not the energy of parents, it could be your grandparents also, or someone who very deeply loves you. If you're upset with them during this week, you should try to go and connect with them, because these are some very nice, genuine, loving people that I'm seeing here. Whether it is your extended family, whether it is some friends, or maybe some uncle, aunt, whatever this relationship is, these are some very genuine people. And if you have some complaints from them, it is your immaturity to not be able to understand their love. So some of you want to go and patch up and be very grateful for all the love which is being sent your way. Yeah. So very good cards here. Also some of you will feel that there is a time to spend more time with your children, or probably in just telling them how to appreciate smallest of things and smallest of gestures. I'm seeing a little bit of immature energy here of a child, and then two parents, husband, wife, mom, dad, or uncle, aunt, whichever way. So if you are a parent and you feel that your child is a little bit immature, or they don't appreciate your love as much, you want to spend a bit more time with them, and you want to probably go on a holiday. Maybe I'm just saying that you know this energy of parents or mom and dad, they're doing their best, but then they're giving this child everything, or this person everything. So this is not necessarily a child, it could be a employer also, and this is possibly an employee as well. So the person who's not receiving the energy, while he or she is wrong in not appreciating all that is coming their way, one mistake this set of people are making is that they're going on giving without realizing that the importance of appreciating or smallest of gesture has not been, you know, put into this person, whether it is a child or an employee. So some of you want to spend more time communicating, or maybe quality time with the child, or maybe the employee, or maybe even a friend really. And rather than just going on giving them that this is what they need, let's give this is what they need, give them this. So little bit of correction of energy that I'm seeing here. So bit of a working week for you, Aquarius. Overall, cards are good. I'm just seeing very nice people here, but they're missing out the picture that someone is not understanding all their love and gestures. So certain quality time and certain importance of smallest of things and gratitude needs to be drilled into this person, whether it is employee, a niece, or a nephew, or a child. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Pisces. There is a lot of success this week. You see, this person is working, his clothes are torn, and then he goes from taking a shower, being very naked, going on a holiday, just feeling the good life, and then changing into some very nice, rich clothes, nice boots, and some nice fur coat, or not fur coat, whatever coat this is. And having spent on himself or herself, and then you see, whatever you worked hard on, this person is working on 8 coins, and here in the picture are 6 coins. So you were able to spend some money on yourself. So whatever you're working on, it will help you to upgrade your standard of life, or some kind of probably investment will be made, and it is going to bring a lot of happiness and joy to you. And since I also see a bit of a travel, I'm just saying you will able to, so some of you are going to be very smart, you are working so hard because you probably are thinking of some travel, and you're totally going to go all out enjoying yourself before you get back to work or your routine or settling into routine. So it's a very good set of cards, and I'm seeing that all that you have worked hard with and all the enjoyment you will go out and have, you're not selfish in keeping all your riches to yourself. You're more than happy to help people out, to guide them. So there is a very good sense of wanting to include people in your life, or them to helping them to elevate their situation. Very good cards here. So you're going to do very well, Pisces. I'm seeing a travel. Some of you are going to take a very quick travel and totally enjoy your time. So work hard, party even harder, and then improved status in your overall situation. Very good cards. So this was your reading, Pisces.